Imagine this, you have been planning on doing a major task for a long time and you have invested so much of your energy, efforts, and time into it, and finally, when that is about to happen, the result is heartbreaking. And then you realize that failure is a very hard pill to swallow. Am I making sense? Friends, you and I have almost gone through similar phases. Being a student is definitely not an easy task. The completion of assignments, submission dates, exam marks, peer pressure, we have all faced failures in different aspects. But there's one thing that always stands out is how we tackle them. Watch this video to find out how you can recover from this failure because I'm sure no one wants to look like a failure. Stay with us till the end and unleash those 5 tips to overcome it. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Forgive yourself. Not every failure is your fault. The key in recovering from a failure is allowing yourself to be forgiven. The whole world being one, it is very important that you need yourself the most. So stop being hard on yourself and forgive your mistakes. And this is how you'll be able to look beyond your failure. Tip number 2. Make notes. A failure is caused due to a mistake, and a mistake done more than once is a problem. So start making notes on how you can change a few things if you were starting your task once again and don't want to fail this time. Tip number 3. Talk to a friend. One of the best ways to bounce back from a failure is to talk to a friend about it. Thinking about overcoming your failures all on your own may be overwhelming and frustrating at times, and by talking to someone, you can also get new ideas as to how you can recover from a failure. Tip number 4. Accept and move ahead. One thing about failure is that the more you avoid it, the harder it gets. So stop avoiding the fact that you have failed, learn to accept it, and think about how you can move ahead with it. Tip number 5. Start fresh. After all that you have been through, know that failure is not something that is permanent. Rather, it is a phase which has to get over. Think of things that you will be doing next and jot them down. This will also give you hope in understanding that you are not going to give up so easily. Like the tips? I'm sure you feel much better as I did while I followed these tips. Guess what happens when you recover from failure? Yes, you tend to have self-discipline. Click on this video to know more about it. Until then, goodbye.